859, in circle Y at right, assume that the measure of arc PO equals the measure of arc EK. Prove that segment PO is congruent to segment EK and use the format of your choice. I used a flowchart proof because I like them. They're visually, they're easy to see. So when I looked at this problem, I noticed that I had two triangles, and if I could prove those two triangles are congruent, then I can prove that segment OP and segment KE are congruent by CPCTC. So you start with the fact that the arcs are equal, so this arc length equals arc EK. And then from that, if these arcs are equal, for that to happen, these angles have to be equal. So the measure of angle OYP is equal to the measure of angle KYE, and that's the central angles have to be congruent because the arcs are equal. And then I had to identify that these sides here are all equal. And I know they're all going to be equal because they're all the radii in the circle. So segment OY is equal to, actually I should make that a congruent sign to be more correct. So segment OY is congruent to segment PY is congruent to segment YK is congruent to segment YE. And that's because all radii must be equal in a circle. So now, with this information, I can see that this triangle is congruent to this triangle by side angle side. And then from there, I can say segment OP is congruent to segment EK because of CPTC, or congruent triangles, then congruent parts. So either one of those.